What is up, guys? It is Deadpool Master 360. I am with my friend Diego, and today what we're gonna do is break this iHome speaker. And if
this is for the bonus. I meant.
This is
pretty cool speaker, I guess.
iHome speaker. Okay, now
This shit is just for the bonus. Control. It's just a bonus.
This is what my friend brought. This is my friend materials. And each day we're gonna break two stuff.
One stuff.
Two.
And then we'll run out of breaking stuff. We'll just react to videos.
Or I don't even know what we're gonna do, but
we'll probably prank my grandma.
Let's start now. Or we can do lyrics pranks.
Oh yeah.
Or pranks, no matter what. Oh dang, a piece just hit me.
That shit was eating your brain.
A piece just.
You just cracked open. Look at this.
A piece.
I smacked the shit out of it. Look. This piece already came off. I smacked the shit out of it.
These are the three pieces of that control.
A piece hit me in my leg.
A piece hit me in my cheek.
Oh shit. It's under the top. Oh, the top's over there. Okay, now that was just a bonus.
A piece legit hit my cheek. Now, I got what I got. These two.
I just slammed that shit like nothing and it just broke like nothing.
Okay.
Wait, let's try to put it back together.
Record me hitting the speaker.
Wait. No, wait. Record me. Put this. I want to try to put this back together.
I don't really want to keep. Dang, that's way too dark.
I know.
Guys, if you guys watched my video today, I made a video of
I'm trying as fast as I can to record it.
breaking my speaker. This is it though. Mine was different. Mine was bigger.
Let me see my thing. Where's the other thing?
What other thing?
That was the only thing. No, the other thing.
Oh, it's over there. But sometimes I might make games of me, like videos of me doing games.
Hey, look, I'm recording it.
Or something. Oh, sick. You can do this with. Oh, my bad. Okay, wait. I think I'm gonna start breaking
it's
this.
Already, look, I fixed it.
Now,
Alright then,
record me.
I record you.
Not like that, though, sideways. Breaking the speaker. And 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit. I'm gonna record it like this, you know. My turn. Watch.
No, I don't think anything broke.
Oh shit, it opened. It's not supposed to be like that. I'm just playing it. It's supposed to be like that. You can open it or close it. It's actually pretty dope. You turn it to open it.
Here, oh my god.
Okay, here.
This time I'm gonna throw it far.
Home run! Oh shit, that shit just hurt it. I know I heard it too. It landed like somewhere right up.
All dusty.
I know, I got all dusty. Rock it off.
Did it break?
My turn.
Oh wait, no, that's what I did.
Okay. Yeah. You ready? I'm gonna get far backwards in the piece.
You guys can't really see him, but
Oh
he
shit!
dropped it.
What the fuck? This speaker is hard to break.
No.
Oh
this is
shit!
breaking.
I'm gonna
rip
have
it
the
off,
coolest piece ever, right? That's inside of it. Oh shit! It's supposed to be like this?
No. Yeah.
Alright.
It's shining the light out.
Did you
my
put it
face.
like this when you start the video, or did you put it like that?
I started it like that and that's it.
Like this? Oh, well, it's supposed to be like this then. Because then that'll be confusing if you put it like that. No, man! I think. Recording like that.
Oh shit, please come on. It's the piece that went right there. See?
I'm gonna have the coolest piece ever, right? Put the pieces over here. Home run! Oh shit.
Oh shoot.
Oh, you fucking dumbass.
Nothing.
Let's see. Good try. Then.
Oh shit! Damn! Oh damn! The speaker came out! What do you mean the speaker came out? Let's see. Oh shoot. Put that back in
You
there.
wanna have it?
We'll just put it back in there. We'll find it right now.
Put it over here, the pieces, right here. Right here. The pieces right here. Put all the pieces right here.
I'll just put it right there.
Right there. Put the pieces, everything that you found. Oh shit. That fell between the crack. I don't know how it's possible. Let me see.
Okay. Oh, dang it, there's one right there. Oh, that's it.
Hey,
A piece fell over here.
where the fuck is it at? There's a cat nigga. Trying to steal our entity.
I hope it didn't fall in here.
Please don't fall in here.
I think it fell in there.
Fuck. Are you serious? Bruh. That's why I told you, Junior. Don't throw shit around here. Fuck. Yeah. Try to look for it. Try your best to look for it. Are you fucking serious, bro?
Well, apparently, guys, my kick. I kicked it over here. Now we can't find it.
Pause the video, Mike. You have to find it.
Right.
How's it, bro?
Wait. I might pause it for a bit, guys. We're gonna keep on looking for it.
When we find it, we'll together.
If we don't find it, I don't know.
And we'll just say goodbye, guys. Bro, pause
Okay,
it.
well, see you guys right now. Okay, guys, so I found it.
So right there.
Right there. Apparently, from all the way over there, I kicked it. Well, it wasn't too far, but I kicked it. Then landed right there.
It stabbed me.
And then
and I grabbed
this stabbed, so he stabbed himself with it. Break yourself. I thought a piece came off, but it was just a wrapper.
Oh shit! Now that was.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Here.
No, I'm gonna break it again. You broke it like 3 times. Oh shit!
I'm gonna start going crazy. Go far. Don't catch it though. I just threw it all the way. Can't really see it, but I don't know if you were able to see him, but if you saw him, that's where it went. I'm going more back. Get more back. Get more back. Wait. He's throwing it back to me. I just do it. Oh shoot. I'm about to throw it. I just threw it. We're passing it back and forward. I don't want to hit it. No, oh shoot. I was running away because I didn't want it to hit me. No. I mean, I see it. I see it, but I can't get it. Oh, I got it. I got it. Wait, guys. Yo, what the heck, dude? I've seen those type of rocks around over